Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use a magnifier on DELL Latitude 5420. To do it, there are two ways of doing that, and at first I'm gonna show you the simple one with the keyboard. Of course you need to remember these shortcuts, but if you're about to use Magnifier often, then it's worth knowing them. So the first shortcut, I'm actually gonna zoom out a bit. You can see on the keyboard there is this Windows sign, and here is a plus, here is a minus, and here in the top left corner is an escape key, and they are all important for what I'm about to show you. So with Windows and plus combined, it'll let you turn on the magnifier. You can see the magnifier is on. It follows your cursor in the standard mode. Then if you click on Windows plus again, it zooms in more. Windows minus zooms out, and Windows and escape closes the magnifier. Then also, if magnifier is turned on, you can click on Ctrl, Alt, and M to cycle through different types of magnifier. This is the lens. The previous one was full screen, and I can also see the I think it was the docked view. Yeah, you can resize it. You can also zoom in more with Windows plus, and it also follows your cursor. And I think that in some European versions of keyboard layouts, or just any other that uses diacritics, there's a chance that right alt on the keyboard may actually work with the M without Control Alt, without Control, because the left alt typically in the system works differently than the right alt if you have a non-US layout. And yeah, if you use the right alt and M, it should be also working the same as Control Alt M. But if it doesn't, then just use the Control and left alt and it'll be fine. Now I'm gonna close the magnifier and show you more about it in the settings. So if you go to settings, you'll see accessibility. In accessibility, you'll see magnifier, and now just you can turn it on, turn it off. You can reveal this menu where you can enable or disable starting magnifier before or after sign in. Then you can change the default zoom level, the zoom increment value, and things like the type of view, as I've shown you. You can also, for each of the types of view, you can change different settings. And that's basically everything about the magnifier. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.